Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss the scopes that are required for Aviso meeting. First scope is see the events that you open in Google Calendar. So our agenda is to record all of the events that are scheduled with Aviso meeting, right? So like if you are going to schedule a meeting with Aviso meeting, we want to record that event in our system, and for that purpose we need to record this event opener that if Aviso meeting is selected, we need to provide the Aviso meeting link, right? And for that purpose we need these details, right? And that's why we need this scope. Whatever you open in the calendar, we are going to read that event, but our agenda is to verify that it is Aviso meeting. If it is Aviso meeting, we are going to sync that meeting in our system, otherwise we will ignore that. All right, run as calendar add-on. So whatever we are using here, right, for that things we are using calendar add-on only where our code is deployed, right? So for that purpose we need this scope. View events, all events of your calendar. We are interested to read the events only to verify that the meeting is scheduled with a Aviso meeting, right? And for that purpose only we need all this information from calendar, like start time, end time, participants. These are all the information that we read from calendar event that have the Aviso meeting down. Okay, and the main agenda is to join into the meeting with our bot to record the meeting, right? For that purpose, who is installing this Aviso meeting add-on should be an Aviso customer, right? And they already have set up their accounts with Aviso, and then they can able to schedule meeting with Aviso meeting. First time they will see the login button where they will connect their account with Aviso, and then they can able to schedule a meeting with Aviso. But those all are the customers only. All right. Connect to external service. I mentioned that why we need the scopes, right? We want to record the Aviso meeting related events from there, right? And so for that purpose, once we identify this event is with Aviso meeting from Google add-on, we will trigger our service and update our service that this is the event and this is the start time and participants that where our bot will join. Allow this application to run when you are not present. Before joining, we want to verify that the event is still valid or it is cancelled, right? Or is there any change in the event? So for that purpose, we are reading the event in background for every 10 minutes, and then if the event is cancelled or something else is like some update is happening, then we will not trigger the bot to join into the meeting. And so for that purpose we need this background scope as well, right? Let me show you how this consent page will work. So once the user click on join Aviso meeting, he will redirect to the our Aviso app, basically where this consent page will show, basically where the users has the ability to reject the bot to join the meeting. So some of the participants don't want to record this call via Aviso meeting, they can just click on join but do not record. Otherwise, if they want that the bot should join into the meeting, they can just click on join the meeting now. Once they click on join the meeting now, the actual meeting source, whatever they have configured with Aviso, right, they will be redirected to that meeting. Let me open this meeting now.
Has been recorded.
Alright, so we can see that Aviso note taker has joined the meeting because we have accepted the consent, right? And we can see that as well there is a notification that this meeting is recording by Aviso note taker. So if some of the participants don't want to record this meeting with Aviso note taker, what they can do, they can just go to their calendar and click on join Aviso meeting, and they can instead of join the call now, they can click on join but do not record. With that, the Aviso note taker bot will leave the meeting, and you can say it left the meeting, right? So this is the basically flow that we need, and for that purpose we require these scopes, right, to work this properly, and that are required for customers, right? Thank you.